Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Jobber for HVAC business. So first thing they should do is you just have to open any of your web browser and then type out Jobber on the search bar and click on this first website. Okay, so when you click on this one, you'd be able to see this section. So to start the free trial, you have to type out right here your email. After that, click on Start Trial, and here you just have to tell them about your business. So just enter the company name. That's right. And then just have to search for your industry and then a company website. So here on the industry, make sure to select the HVAC. That's right. Then for the company website, if you have a company website, just click on it and then put here the link and then click on Next. Here, your HVAC business at a glance. So how many people work at your company, including you? Then how many years have you been in a business? Click on Next after that. Here, let's fine tune your Jobber experience. So what's your estimated revenue for this year? And then click on Next. Then what is your top priority right now? So we're going to select run more efficiently or get more customers. And then click on Next after that. And here, how did you hear about the Jobber? So I'm just going to type out right here, Facebook, and then click on Next after that. And here, just personalize your work. So we have light theme and the dark theme. So I'm just going to select the light one and click on Get Started. So for the limited time offer, we can decline this one for now. So you just click on No Thanks. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds while they're setting your dashboard. Okay, that's right. So finally, we are here now on our homepage. So we have 4 things to do first, but of course, after that, just have to click on the schedule. So here you'd be able to see all of your schedule, and if you would like to create a new schedule, you just have to click on the date and then just have to select what kind of activity do you want to do in that specific date. So for example, new job. So we have one-off job or recurring job. So for the job, we have to select our client. So we have to put the title as well as the instruction for this job. Okay, and then for the schedule, we have the start date, the end date, and then the time. Okay, and then we can schedule this one for later if you want to. Okay, so here in the calendar section at the right side, we have the highlighted date. That means that is the date this job will start. Okay, and then we have here the other information as well, the prices. We have the internal codes as well as the total price for this job. Okay, next is the clients. So here on the client section, we can create or add a new client by clicking on the new client at the top right of your screen. So you clicked on the new client option. That's right. And here just have to input the information or the primary contact details of your new client. So the first name, the last name, the company name, the communication. And then if you would like to add additional information for your client or additional details for your clients, you just have to click on add additional details. And then for the property address, of course, the address of your client. Okay, so you just have to put their details right here as well. Okay, and then after that, you just have to click on the save client option. Just make sure to fill out every field in these settings. Okay, then if you would like to add another address, just click on add another address. So here on the request section, okay, you'll be able to see here all of your requests. So if you don't have a request yet, you just have to create your very first request. Okay, so you just have to add a title for your request. You can select your client and then for the overview or the service details. So here you just have to input your availability. Okay, and then what are your preferred arrival times? And then on-site assessments. So you can visit a property to assess the job before you do the work. Okay, and then you also have your notes that you can leave for your clients. Okay, so here on the left side, we also have the other settings. So we just have to explore this one by one. The most important thing is your schedule. So you can put the job, you can add your client, and then you can add an instruction for your employees. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.